We open in a magic forest where our hero, Prince Tamino, is being pursued by a serpent/dragon/magical frightening creature.
You go into Home Depot and you ask them for something and they ask you why. You need it. 9 times out of 10 they have no idea what you're talking about.
My name is Jeremy Barnett. I'm the scenic designer for Boston University's production of the Magic Flute. The scenic designer, as the name implies, designs the scenery, designs the spatial and environmental context in which the performance is held.
My name is Brian McVicker, and I'm the technical director. The cosmetics and what's on the front, what everybody sees, is just 50% what actually goes on. This is the guts, if you will.
Magic Flute is a well-known Mozart opera, but it's also sort of the world's first musical.
Magic Flute is one of those operas that can be done in lots and lots of different ways. Our design team looked at different formats for the design, where it might be set, and as a result, it has its own flavor.
Monolithic columns help us to create the sense of holy locations. We have gold Fabergé-like trees, 15, 16-foot tall trees, that give us different garden locations. These are some of the gold Fabergé trees.
My job is to take designer drawings from the scenic designer and turn them into construction drawings that end up on the shop floor and get built by crew, and then also to engineer certain elements that are out of the ordinary. Yesterday we got this elevator installed. The idea is that the Queen of the Night makes her grand entrance and sings her big aria. Most of the times she's flown in, but as that's usually a very expensive alternative, we had to think of something else, so we decided, how about have her come up from the ground? So that brought us down into the trap room to create this elevator. This whole thing was built from scratch.
So our approach to the pieces was shape, it was movement, it was to keep it light, because this is a musical comedy, and really you want the context, you want the shape of the stage to push that energy forward out into the audience, to wrap the audience up in the music, in the motion, in the action, in the passion, in all those wonderful, wonderful things. That just makes coming to the theater a thrilling experience.